Today we will start with our new chapter number 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. Starting with the term fibers, a very thin thread-like strand from which cloth is made is called a fiber, and fiber is called resha in Hindi, and these are used to make clothes, and these fibers are converted into fabrics. Fabrics are also called as clothes. Our school uniforms, blankets, bed sheets, curtains, etc. all these are made up of fibers. There are generally two types of fibers. These are natural fibers and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals, and synthetic fibers are the man-made fibers which are produced from chemical substances, and these are prepared in industries. Natural fibers, the example of natural fibers are cotton, wool, silk, jute, etc. Here, cotton and jute are plant fibers, wool and silk are animal fibers. Example of synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Before we go further and discuss synthetic fiber in detail, we should know the meaning of the term polymer. In word polymer, the word poly means many and mer means units. It means small units are connected to form a large unit, and this large unit is called a polymer, and the small units which are used to form a polymer, a large unit, these small units are called as monomers. These monomers are connected one by one, and these connected monomers will form polymers. All synthetic fibers are polymers, and they have a smallest unit which are connected in repeated form. As on the basis, depending upon the type of chemicals used for manufacturing synthetic fiber, there are 4 types of man-made fibers, and these man-made fibers are rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Now, starting with our first synthetic fiber, that is rayon. Rayon is also called artificial silk. As silk is a natural fiber obtained from silkworm, the fabric or cloth made from natural silk is very costly. Therefore, rayon is the cheapest alternative of natural silk, and it is cheaper than natural silk. The raw material of rayon is natural, that is wood pulp. By chemical treatment it is converted to rayon, and it includes 2 steps, and these are: this wood pulp is dissolved in alkaline solution to form sticky liquid, and then this sticky liquid prepared from wood pulp and alkaline solution is passed through tiny holes of a metal cylinder into a solution of H2SO4 acid. H2SO4 is our sulfuric acid. So the silk-like thread is formed, and it is not a true synthetic fiber because it is the mixture of natural elements and chemicals. Therefore, it is semi-synthetic fiber, and its application are: it is used in textile industries for making clothes. Rayon mixed with cotton to form bed sheets and curtains. Bedsheet and curtains are prepared by mixing cotton in rayon, and rayon mixed with wool to make carpets, and it is also used in medical fields for making bandages and surgical dressings, and it is also used in tire industries. Next polymer is nylon. The name nylon comes from the fact that it is developed in New York and London. It is the first fully synthetic fiber made by man without using any natural raw material. The monomer unit of nylon is obtained from petroleum products. and it is a type of thermoplastic polymer. The term thermoplastic means the polymer which can be easily melted by heating and can be converted into any shape, and the molten chemical is passed through a hole in a metal cylinder and converted to nylon fiber. The properties of nylon are: it is very strong, elastic, lightweight, lustrous, absorb very little water, wrinkle resistance, high wear and tear strength, very durable, and also it is not attacked by moths. Therefore it has very many applications, and these are: it is used in making socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car sheet, sleeping bags, etc. And nylon thread is stronger than a steel wire. Now from block diagram, a nylon thread is stronger than a steel wire. Nylon is man-made fiber. It is made without using any natural fiber. It is prepared from coal, water and air. Nylon fiber is strong, elastic and lightweight. It is lustrous and easy to wash. Used in making socks, ropes, tents, toothbrush, car sheets, sleeping bags, etc. Now our third synthetic fiber is polyester. Poly plus ester. The word poly means many, and ester is a chemical which have fruity smell. Therefore, the polyester synthetic fiber is made up of combination of large number of ester groups connected in a chain. It is a terylene. Terylene is a popular polyester fiber. The monomer unit of polyester fiber is obtained from petroleum products like nylon. The monomer unit of polyester fiber is obtained from petroleum products. Like nylon, it is a thermoplastic polymer. Thermoplastic polymer, as discussed above, the polymers which can be melted on heating and easily be given any shape, and this molten chemical is passed through holes in a metal cylinder and converted to polyester fibers. Now the properties of polyester fibers are: most of the properties are similar to that of nylon, but it is stronger and softer than nylon fiber, and it is very strong, elastic, lightweight, absorb very little water, wrinkle resistance, high wear and tear resistance, very durable, and also it is not attacked by moths. The application or the uses of polyester are: it is used in dress materials, and also used for making sails of sailboats. Polyester sails are lightweight and strong and are not rotten by water. Therefore, these are used in making sails for boats, making water hose for firefighting operations, and sometimes the polyester is mixed with some natural fibers such as cotton and wool, and these are named as polycoat is a mixture of polyester and cotton, polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool, and PET, polyethylene, is a very usable thing which is a type of polyester. PET is a very familiar form of polyester. It is used for making bottles, utensils, wires, etc. Because unlike glass, PET is shatterproof and it is very lightweight. Now from diagram, polyester, a fabric made from this fiber, doesn't easily wrinkle, therefore it is used in making dress materials, and it is a thermoplastic polymer. Thermoplastic means the polymer which can be heated, which can melt on heating and can be converted into any shape. Polycoat is a mixture of polyester and cotton, and polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. PET is very familiar form of polyester. It is used as an alternative of glass, and because it is shatterproof and lightweight, therefore it is used as an alternative of glass. Now the fourth one is acrylic. Acrylic is semi-synthetic polymer and it is the alternative of wool. It is lightweight, soft and warm with wool-like feel. Due to its wool-like feel, acrylic fiber is used as substitute for wool. Used for making shawls, blankets, jackets, socks and gloves, etc. Acrylic retains its shape, resists shrinkage and wrinkles. It can be dyed very well and this is strong and durable, absorb little water so it has quick dry quality, and as we know the natural fiber, that is wool, is very costly. Therefore the acrylic fiber is cheaper alternative of natural wool. Characteristic of synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers are very strong, more durable. Durable means long life, absorb very little water, wrinkle resistance, quite lightweight, extremely smooth, not attacked by moths. Moths are the insect which affect the quality of synthetic fibers or some natural fibers. It do not shrink and it retains their original size, less expensive, easy to maintain. Now the disadvantage of synthetic fiber are melt on heating, means if a person wearing clothes made of synthetic fiber and his clothes catch fire accidentally, then the synthetic fiber of clothes melt and stick to the body of the person and cause serious burns. Not suitable for wearing during summer because synthetic fiber are extremely fine, so the clothes made from synthetic fibers do not have pores for the sweat to remove out and to get evaporate. During summer, it makes us feel hot and uncomfortable. Result in forest conservation. Some semi-synthetic fibers like rayon, as we study in previous topic, acrylic. These rayon and acrylic have their monomer unit or the raw material is wood pulp, and acrylic have wool, which required cutting of forest trees, and that means forest conservation, that the manufacturing of these type of fibers results in forest conservation.